Hello lovely people, how are you? Welcome back to another flip through video. Something a little bit more chilled and calm today than my usual in your face raucous kind of choices in the colouring world. This is Art for Mindfulness, Owls and Other Birds with patterns by Chris Tomlin. I got this book from W.H. Smith's, which is the UK's big stationery retailer chain. I'm pretty sure you can get it on Amazon, and yeah, it's a pretty book. It's nice and thick, so it's got lots of pictures in it, lots of colouring. The usual nice card cover, and it says colour your way to better focus. Well, I think we all know that, don't we? We all love our colouring so much, but really it does help so much to keep your mind focused and take away the pressures of a crazy world. So yeah, let's have a little look at this one. So in the beginning of the book, it's got some digitally coloured images and a little introduction. And this is introductions written by an art psychotherapist and mindfulness teacher. So these are partially coloured digitally for you, so it gives you some sort of idea what they're like when they're coloured. Obviously very different to what you're going to do with coloured pencils and pens, but nonetheless it's still helpful sometimes to have a little guide. And this is a book that has got an image on the right hand side for you to colour and a proverb or quote of saying on the left. I'm not bothered about the quotes and stuff like that, so all that means is I don't have to worry about whether or not I use markers in my book. The paper is okay, it's not super thick, but it's decent quality cartridge paper, so it's got a nice smooth finish, and it'll take coloured pencils beautifully, and you'll be able to use your markers and things and little pens and what have you. Don't think it'll stand up very well to water-based mediums though. So this is obviously birds of all kinds, not just owls. So we've got peacock on the next page, which I tend to avoid peacocks because I'm not super confident that I can get the colours right, and I do love them, so yeah. And there's some hens and cockerels. I love this one with the budgies. I like budgies a lot. They're very cute. So I might colour that one, I think. There's some ducks. And hummingbirds. And some fuchsias and things to colour. So flowers and leaves. There's an owl with flying down at you with its huge talons. A nice nighttime scene. There's thrush, maybe? I don't know. Flamingos? Flamingos! We love flamingos! It's a little cardinal. We don't have those in the UK. It's a little blackbirdy thing at its nest. Lots of all sorts of birds in there. Looking up over. And this is the cover image of the owl in the churchyard. And some hummingbirds on a cactus. I think they're hummingbirds. Little baby chicks, perfect for Easter colouring. And that's a blue jay. I love them. Up there with magpies for me. And a cockatoo, I'd love one of these. I know it would drive my husband insane and it would terrorise my cats, but they are so funny. I love the way they stomp around and just strut the stuff. Another cockerel. And some more ducks. And a really nice portrait of an owl. Some parrots. Oh, guys, I can hear a vehicle coming into the yard. Oh, more colouring books are arriving. I'll be right back. I'm back. Yeah, I know that was only a second for you. I've got 2 parcels to open on camera. Woo! So I'm going to do another video for that. Oh dear me, I'm going to be in trouble. Anyway, so yes, nice portrait of an owl there. And parrots. And albatross. Gannet. That's a gannet. That's what that is. And it's a little blue tit and a firecrest, I think, and a goldfinch. There's a wallpapery pattern which I won't colour. There's more parrots. Sort of a whimsy sort of owl picture. There's a heron, that's nice. I love herons. And crows with a kestrel or hawk of some description. There's a kingfisher. And some hornbills. In a wallpapery sort of way. And some seagulls. Another owl. And the ostrich from the front of the book with her babies. Oh, reed warbler perhaps. Some penguins. And more hummingbirds. Various corvids and crows and finches. More hummingbirds. Another owl. Various little garden birds. Teal duck. Another peacock. And a kestrel, or a peregrine falcon, I think that is. Another crow. Little Christmas robin. And a patterny sort of birdie sort of owl, I think. Some pheasanty type outlines in the bottom. Bit of an odd one, that. Puffins. Bird of paradise. The little robin. A hornbill and another bird of paradise. It's Some parrots in the background. More seagulls. Toucans. Another owl. Very cat-like, that one. Not a British bird, I don't think. I presume they're cardinals. And a woodpecker. Swans. Little wren hiding up here. Oh, little lovebirds in a cage. And another owl. And the budgies on the back page. I do like that image. I have to colour that one. So that is Art for Mindfulness, Owls and Other Birds, colouring books for grown-ups. There's a whole series of these books, but if you want something with some realistic birds in, this is definitely one to consider. It's a very nice book with nice quality paper in it, and I'm sure I'm going to have some fun colouring those in. So I'm going to go and open my parcels on camera now, so keep an eye open for that video and see what has arrived in the mail. And until next time, guys, take care. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like this, and I'll see you soon. Have fun colouring. Bye.